It's quite literally why we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And it's the atmosphere that's really scuppered attempts to directly image exoplanets from the ground before, and it's why we tend to use space telescopes with chronographs to do this. The Earth's atmosphere smears out the light in your images. Think about turbulence on an aeroplane and you shaking because you're going through a patch of rough air. Light from very distant objects also passes through that rough air and gets smeared out. What it means is that any faint signals especially just get smeared out and lost in the noise. Unless you can correct for the smearing that the atmosphere does. That is what's known as adaptive optics. You fire lasers into the atmosphere to record what happens to the tiny laser dot and then subtract those effects off the image to get the sharp crispness back. And this is why ground-based telescopes are now starting to contend with space-based telescopes, especially because we can build a much bigger telescope on the ground than we can fit into a rocket and launch into space. And the bigger the telescope, the fainter the thing that you can see, and the smaller the thing that you can see as well. You have the resolution to be able to split out two separate objects that are very close together, that otherwise with a smaller telescope would just blur together.